After the death of the sun, what will happen to the solar system? Friends, in this universe, everything that is born has to die someday. Whether it's the sun, which is the foundation of all our lives, approximately 4.5 billion years from now, the sun will die. But how will the sun's death happen? We all know that the existence of the entire solar system is because of the sun. When the sun dies, what will happen to this solar system? And the most important question, what will happen to life on Earth after the sun's death? If Earth also becomes uninhabitable after the sun's death, then where will humanity go in search of new home planets? Just as when a person is about to die, they go through various changes and difficulties. Similarly, when the sun dies, many changes will occur. The countdown to the reverse enumeration of the sun's death will begin when its fuel is exhausted. The sun's core undergoes a nuclear fusion process. This process converts hydrogen into helium and provides energy in the form of EDIEM for the sun. Currently, the sun's core converts about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium per second. When the energy source of the sun is depleted, the reverse countdown to its death will begin. After the energy is depleted, the sun will expand significantly. The outer layer of the sun will expand, and its control over the solar system will increase. As it grows larger, the sun will turn into a red giant. After turning into a red giant, the solar system will also begin to deteriorate. Following Mercury and Venus, both planets will fall under the sun's influence. Due to the higher temperatures escaping from red giants, both Mercury and Venus will melt into the sun. After Mercury and Venus, Earth will be the next target of the sun. Whether Earth completely melts into the sun or not depends on whether the sun's expansion has ceased. Even if the sun's expansion stops, Earth won't be able to withstand the high temperature of the sun. Earth will also mostly melt, leaving only its iron core. Then, it will be the turn of the outer planets, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are located in extremely cold regions of the solar system. When the sun expands, the distance to the outer planets will also decrease. Even so, the extreme temperatures and conditions on these planets will make it impossible for life to exist. After these events, the chaos in the solar system will increase due to gravitational perturbations. Objects in the solar system will deviate from their orbits. If any objects or planets manage to survive, their stories will come to an end due to the unstable gravity of the dying sun. Objects may collide with each other or be expelled from the solar system. The death of the sun will occur approximately 4.5 billion years from now, and we are discussing the prospect of finding a new home after this event. However, scientists believe that we might not need to search for a new home. According to them, life on Earth will likely end about 3.5 billion years before this event. Over time, fusion reactions in the sun's core continuously increase. Due to this increase, the sun's temperature also rises continuously. About 1 billion years from now, the temperature of the sun will become so high that it will become impossible for any life, including humans, to survive, and Earth will succumb to excessive radiation. If somehow humans survive until the sun's death, then they will have to venture to Pluto and the Kuiper Belt, the outermost regions of the solar system, in search of a new home. Maybe the moons of Neptune could also provide a suitable environment for life. Currently, all these places, including Pluto, are extremely cold. Imagining life in these places is still naive at the moment. But after the sun turns into a red giant, the distances in the outermost regions of the solar system will decrease. Along with the sun's transition to a red giant, it will release an even higher amount of radiation compared to the present. After this change, Pluto could reach a temperature similar to Earth's present average temperature. In such temperatures, the ice on these planets will melt and form oceans. The presence of liquid water could create conditions similar to those when life first developed on Earth. Pluto, or another planet in this region, could potentially become our new home planet. As the sun transforms into a red giant and enters its final stages, it will become extremely hot and release dangerously high levels of radiation. After about 1 billion years, the Sun will stabilize with a manageable temperature and settle in one place. In the white dwarf stage, the Sun will remain for a significant period of time. In this white dwarf stage, the temperature will be much lower, and the habitable zone will be closer to the white dwarf. If a planet forms in this habitable zone, the weak gravity of the white dwarf could break it apart. So life in the vicinity of a white dwarf is nearly impossible. What do you think? Will humans still be on Earth until the Sun's death? If so, where will their new home planet be? Share your thoughts in the comments.